Hello, children. A warm welcome to you all and a very good morning. As we have done with the question and answers in lesson number 5, The Golden Bird, now let us start with understanding the text. Everyone, open your English reader, page number 46. You can find this page, Understanding the Text. Complete these sentences in your own words. We need to complete these sentences in our own words according to the lesson. First one. The king felt sorry for the bird because. Why did the king felt sorry, children? Why he felt sorry for the bird? Because he thought that holding a bird in a cage is wrong, right? So you need to write in the blank in this way. He thought it was wrong to hold a bird in a cage. Since I don't have place, I have written up also. Next, second one. The monkey wanted to show the bird where to find food because. Why did the monkey wanted to show the bird where the food will be available? Because the bird was new to the jungle. That's the reason monkey wanted to help her. But the bird was very rude towards the monkey. Next, third one. The bird said that the snake could not dash. What did the bird said that what the snake could not do? It could not teach her anything. Next, fourth one. No one could see the chameleon because dash. Why we can't see the chameleon? Because he was in the same color as the tree trunk was. As I told you, the speciality of the chameleon that it changes into the same color where it sits. Next, the three animals helped the bird by dash. How did the three animals help the bird? By saving her from the eagle bird, right? Saving her from an eagle. So you need to write these answers in the given blanks. After finishing that, in the next page you can find this in page number 47. Write short answers to these questions about yourself and your friend. Use the answers given. Yes, she or he does. No, she or he doesn't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. So these are the structures, children. As we have learned in the lesson that I told you to identify the D questions and WH questions, right? So if you observe here, all these are D questions, means do, does questions. So here you need to answer these questions with the answers given up in the box. Do you get up early in the morning? Yes, she or he does. No, she or he doesn't. Yes, I do. No, I don't. So you need to answer these questions using these answers which are given in the help box. As we have already learned that for D questions, answer will be simply in one word, that is yes or no, right? So you need to write the appropriate answer for the questions given. First one is done for you. First one. Do you get up early in the morning? Yes, I do get up early in the morning. So here I have done first one for you. The remaining you need to do, children. Second question. Does your mother help you with your homework? You need to write the correct answer. Next. Does your father pack your bag? Choose the right answer and you need to write it in the given blank. Do you help clean the house? Fifth one. Do you have a pet? So these are the questions which you need to answer with the help of the helping words given in the helping words given. You need to do all these in your English textbook itself, children, page number 46 and 47. Write today's date to the left top corner and then write down the given work. Thank you. Have a nice day.